Tecno Camon 20 is one device that promises to deliver flagship features at a fantastic price range. Tecno has equipped its Camon 20 series with a lot of valuable features that you won't dare miss as a smartphone enthusiast. Hi, it's Joy from PhonePlace Kenya and welcome to our review. One of the most distinctive series that Tecno has ever created is the Tecno Camon 20 series. With a sleek and lightweight design, the phone is light in weight, allowing you to hold it comfortably using only one hand. We enjoy the fact that the phone features a headphone jack and also contains a dual SIM feature. The Tecno Camon 20 includes a 1080x2400 pixels AMOLED screen. The display technology benefits you from faster response times, outstanding color accuracy, and screen consistency. The display measures 6.67 inches with an 87% screen-to-body ratio and 120Hz refresh rate, allowing you to enjoy an immersive viewing experience. The Camon 20 is powered with a top-notch CPU that permits it to run its operations smoothly. Under the hood, you will discover a Mediatek Helio G99 chipset. Overall, you are guaranteed a smartphone that provides fluidity and no lags when playing games and other multitasking duties. The phone also comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. Regarding the software, the phone utilizes Android 13 and includes the iOS 13 operating system. This guarantees a seamless and practical user experience by updating it with the most recent software and features. Another area that the smartphone greatly excels is the camera segment. The phone features a triple primary camera setup. It includes 64-megapixel camera, which has an optical image stabilizer, 2-megapixel macro camera, and 2-megapixel camera at the back. Overall, it takes fantastic images and videos. Other camera features include a quad LED flash, panorama, and HDR. The Camon 20 also supports taking videos at 1080p. On the front, we have a 32-megapixel selfie camera that ensures sharp and clear selfies with vibrant colors. The phone features a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Tecno Camon 20 provides long-lasting battery life for all-day use. It also has 33 watts fast charging capabilities. It is evident that the Tecno Camon 20 offers various cutting-edge features at a very affordable price range. The phone assures an impression that you won't regret, whether it is at performance level, camera capabilities, or even its display. Feel free to go to our website www.phoneplacekenya.com to place an order. The device costs 26,500 Kenyan shillings. You can also head over to our physical outlet at the Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 5.